Well, hello to everyone watching right now. Hello to Butterbite. We will work on Isoforge today. I also have Elias in the admin talk, so he might talk at some point. And I'm getting sounds from somewhere. If there's any problem with the sounds or the video at any point, okay. Oh, okay, I see. Wait a second, that's the problem. And my mic is not loud enough. Perfect. Because it's on max. Well, I can do this at least, so it should be a bit louder. Okay. Yeah. Well, we can start then. I'm gonna put on some NCS music too. Just, well, that's irritating at some point. We can, of course, stop that too. Just making sure that everything works. Well, this is the first live stream, but let's get started. And we will first make a model for today. I got here the software I'm making my models in, and we will make a drill today for diamonds and rubies to extract them and get some additional money. So some sort of factory with drill. I'm thinking something like satisfactory. Yeah, just something like that. Let's see, satisfactory drill. No. Okay. Yeah, we are not making such a high detail model. Okay. But just some sort of drill. You can search low poly drill. Yeah, okay, that was not what I was thinking of. Something like this here, or like that, basically. Yeah, I will laser drill. Yeah, that could be cool too. I mean, like, as an upgrade. I mean, we could do that. How do we start? Let's just make a basic cube to yeah, sure. To put the drill on, something like that. Let's make a smaller cube beneath to attach the drill onto, just as a basic thing. I'm wondering who is watching. I see there are like 5 people watching right now. That's pretty cool for the first stream, especially because I don't really know what I'm doing. 8, something like that, and then we can put these here together. Something like 0.1. Yeah, because if I set it to 0, the whole model will just go black. That's some sort of problem of that rendering engine. But that doesn't look too bad. But I mean, we can at least make some sort of mechanical thing around that. Wait, I will just get my phone hooked up too. Otherwise, I will maybe have a problem at some point. Okay. Let's make a tube with diameter 4 should be okay. 2 and let's try 0.5. Yeah, I mean something like that. Then here we need to shrink that down again. Yeah, that looks good, my opinion. Let's make one more and that should be it done. Yeah, I guess. I mean, not a normal drill, but I mean something. Can move all of that one down and let's merge that. That will help Unity's performance. Was thinking like some sort of dirt down there, what the drill is going into. We can like partly make that. Yeah, diameter 3 should be actually enough. Let's get the faces and we will need to select a lot of them to delete that. I know watching someone program a game probably isn't the most entertaining you can get, but I mean it's something. I'm talking shit already. It's not good. No, not that. The whole model, please. Oh, that looks good. Like something like that. I mean, that probably is around 0.5 high. Let's try. Yeah, okay. Now here, why is the chat gone again? Okay, that's not high enough. I can hear Abra. Okay, a little bit less noisy. the music, and I will try to speak up a little. It's all a bit unusual for me. Like, first time streaming is something, yeah, special, I'd say. Let's make that. Wait, how much? 1, 2, 3 should be enough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. That has now a size of 9. Let's make a loop cut. 8 of them. Let's make another loop cut and change the direction and do 8 again. And we have a nice grid that we should be able to put together. Let's delete these inner pieces here.
Hey, I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up.
Actually, that's way too many loop cuts.
I miss you.
Just as I'm making this.
Thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love.
Okay, that should be better for performance. What is going on with my... What the fuck? With my language. Okay, because now I can take edges and put them together. Yeah, that looks like it works. I hope so. No, that's not what we want. Then let's just take 2 of them, put them together, and 2 of them, put them together, and let's do it for all the other sides too. That looks so messed up. I should definitely switch to Blender, but like making the models in scale is very easy with... What the fuck?
The idea of you listening to this? The thought of you on
Do these things here actually exist? That's the question I'm asking myself. They do. Oh man, I hope I can paint them.
I don't know if you miss me too, but I hope
Well, whatever it is, I hope it's working. And just as I'm thinking about this, let's select all the edges. Okay. I just thought like my headphone was giving up on me. As it seems it has not yet.
what I became so used to, what I thought would be forever.
No. Okay. Well, that looks good. Actually, maybe we can make it that like this thing can move up and down. So I would say let's delete this here again. And then let's make another cuboid 3 on 3. Let's put it up and put it slightly inside there so we can move that thing up and down. I'll demonstrate it. And that should work. So now we need to connect this here somehow. I mean, we can even rotate that. That's good. Okay, that's north. You know those drills that are used to get samples from real deep underground? One of those could look pretty cool. Yeah, kinda. Maybe as an upgrade too. I mean, for most buildings there are upgrades planned, so we could make that an upgrade. Like next to the laser gun, not laser gun, laser drill, also some sort of deep drill that to get even more. I don't know. I mean, we could do that. Okay, that's north. I will first make sure to connect all of this. I don't know how high, 6 maybe? Nah. Let's try. Laser drill would be nice for a level 2 concept. Yeah, exactly. And then we can think about adding even more. Actually, let's move that a little bit over to there and like that. And we need, I don't know, 3 diameter and 2 height. Okay, yeah. Let's resize that. Looks good. And we need to pull this out a little bit. Actually, yeah, 1. Okay. Let's move that over to the other side too. I mean, does not look bad, does it? I mean, if painted, it could look cool. Looks a bit oversized, but I mean, it could work. I mean, it's the level 1 drill, so can't be that crazy. I believe that should work. Let's merge all of that too. Then we have this one here for moving and this one here as static. Let's paint that. Let's select all. Yeah. Make a texture for the drill. Okay, I would say like some sort of brownish color, maybe no darker, because it's from underground, or a little bit brighter. I would say a little bit brighter around the outside, and where the drill is a little bit darker, because then the soil might be wet still. Okay, nice. Let's put a more brownish color inside of there. What the hell, why is that looking so weird? Is that really just looking so weird? Because it's... Oh man, it looks so messed up. Why is... Man, what the fuck? Sorry. looks okay. What is going on? Just adding a little bit of detail around there, just to make it look a little bit different. Yeah, no. Let's use the gradient tool. Like maybe from... Oh, what? What the... I mean... Still looks a bit weird. Looks a little bit glossy. Clash of Clan, Dark Alexa art. True. Maybe we need to add the gold mine too. But we don't have gold ore yet. I'd say we make the main part in that darker gray and then the details here in a more bright gray. That could look cool. Then this thing here up top too. I know I need to do the grounds too. We can make that in a second. What just happened on Discord? Okay, I have no idea. Okay. What did I just do to the ground? My man, what the... Yeah, I don't know. Like in some aspects, this modeling engine is just straight up weird. I mean... Oh, Elias is talking. I don't know if you can be heard because the desktop audio is so low.
Yes, looks like they can't hear me.
Looks like what?
They can't hear me because it's too loud. Okay. So hear me out. My idea. Why don't you just make it so that
I
it
think I will
overlays on the ore model.
make...
So the like if it's a diamond ore, it stays there and it just goes on top.
Oh yeah, right. Hmm. I don't know how hard that might be.
Now they hear me better than you.
I know. I see. Ah, that's crap.
Okay, that's weggegangen.
What? Oh, they're all gone.
Yeah. Anyways. not sure about that.
Earlier there were
Some of them are here. Anyways, doesn't matter.
now my phone is saying there are 4 people in. I don't know. It's a bit weird. Why? Oh yeah, okay, that red and blue is just those lines. Okay. We still need to make the recording for the short. Just make a small turn. Basically as straight as possible, so that there are no I don't know, rumbles in the video. Let's save that, export, yep. And let's close that, then let's save and save that too. Okay, well, that's that. Let's actually open up a Unity. That might take a second though. If it would actually open. Yeah, okay, now. Okay, you can see again. Just some other random stuff I was working on. And I will have a look at something real quick. Oh well. Well. Okay, open. That's just a basic look of the scene. Nothing much actually. Just some boxes and the UI. But if I click play, it all gets generated. Yeah. And it's lagging, that's perfect. I will try not to play the game too much because I think that's set to max FPS and that will crash my recording software probably. So I will not do that too much, but let's get started with where are they? The NPCs, especially soldiers. We have some soldiers in here actually. I will just enable the army mode button back. That's still an old button. I will enable all the soldiers. And then we can test out if selecting troops still works or if that is broken. Okay, here they are. Let's go into army mode. Let's select them. Oh, right click, right. If I now right click, yeah, okay. So they still work actually, that's pretty cool. And very cool is as well that I can't select anything else. So they work as expected. Perfect. And now we need to transfer that soldier script to... Why can't I copy that? Okay. To our new soldiers. And this is the soldier. Let's get the soldier script here too. And we will have to... What's area to check? An enemy. Let's open it up. Okay, it's loading. No. So here is my coding software. Pretty basic, Visual Studio 2022. And we have some stuff going on here. Target position. If is moving. What's area to check? Oh, okay, I can already check for enemies. That's crazy. Didn't know that. Even though I made it. Or ChatGPT, I don't know. But if we remove the old system, well, not the old, but the normal NPC system, let's actually crank up the speed to 1.5, because soldiers should be a bit faster, in my opinion. Let's leave that at 0 and there's no enemies right now. And then let's deselect the normal soldiers. And let's get some new soldiers in as well. So just here. No, okay. Just a couple so that we have them. That's 6, 12, 18, 24. Yeah, that should be enough for the first testing. Oh, and that looks a little bit weird to see them all synced up, but I mean, now I should be able to select some of them. Yeah, and then move. Select all of them and let them move up there. Actually up here. Now they are floating. Perfect. Why are they floating? That's a good question. But I mean, as it seems, they work, and I mean, you can see them as orange dots, and if you get closer, they just have the orange outline. That looks pretty cool in my opinion. Okay, so now we need to make them not float anymore. Let's go back into the script and where do we get the target position? Oh, okay. We do get component in children transform when close brackets. That should fix the floating problems once they come to a stop. At least I hope. And where is the army manager here? Yeah, okay. We have all of that. Offset for soldier position and soldiers in first circle. We can maybe crank that down to 0.5 actually. Okay, now they are moving over there. Actually going in random positions and they are still floating. Just as I want. Okay, do we get any errors except that one I made myself? No, we don't. Okay. Well, then we will have to fix that. Let's go back to the prefab. Because I want this one here. How do we do that for the normal civilians? Civilists, I don't know. Oh yeah. NPC cannot be oh yeah, I moved that. Okay. Transform down, check around. Get component. Okay, yeah, well then we will do that too. That's pretty easy. Menu, no. Here, okay. Then let's remove that and add this here too. Let's see if that works as expected or if it does not. I mean, we don't have that anywhere else. Okay. I actually wanted to check what happens if I only select one of them. Well, it will be a bit tricky, but let's see. Okay. Well, that moves just fine too. Doesn't it? It does not? Okay, perfect. Oh, okay, it does. We move them over there. Let's exit army mode real quick. Then we have that one jumping around here perfectly on ground, except for if I put it up, but yeah. If we check for that, that would crash the game, probably. And that looks good too. But I believe if I do this and click here, yeah, we will still go into a circle, but that's okay for now. I love how they are all in sync. We will have to make the animals in sync too. That will be pretty funny. Except for civilians that... Wait, actually? Yeah. For civilians that will come a little bit later. Okay. Well, but that's that. Let's actually clean up the button a little bit. I actually don't know where we should put that. I mean, somewhere next to break mode, I guess. Maybe we can just make a little symbol instead of the whole button. Let's actually see. Where's our break mode button? Let's go into 2D. Let's duplicate that and make army mode button. Oh yeah, we have that, but that's okay. Then let's move that up for now. I would like to have that red actually. I mean, that looks pretty cool, I guess. Like red, I don't know, for soldiers. And let's crank that down to 50 as well. And the border too, I guess. Oh, why is there a little red glow? We'll have to make that 49 maybe? Yeah, seems like. Okay, and then we got the text here. Let's actually disable that and see if we have some sort of picture for that, for enemies instead. Okay, image. No, not text. Stupid. Image. Okay. Image. Yeah, should be fine. Let's go to 50, 50 as well. No, not 50, hashtag 50. Let's see if we have some sort of sprite we can use. I mean, that's energy, that's lives. What is that? Why is there a picture? What the? Oh, just what if this one here would be around the red button? If it's selected, that would be cool. Instead of, again, like a yellow thingy. I will just keep that. But we do not have any symbol for soldiers. That's unfortunate. Let's do star for now. Yeah, that's okay. What's that? Let's do star. And let's crank that image up to 55 maybe. Oh, that has a red outline. That's why it's looking so weird. Okay, we can leave it at, well, 55 looks a bit cool. Army mode. Image, image, image. And this image here is normally turned off. We can get break mode, that's at this exact coordinate. Oh, what did I do? Oh, yeah, Y position, of course. Stupid, again and again and again and again. Okay. That should be okay for now, I guess. Maybe we can make the star black too, because the text is black too. Whatever color this is. Some grayish actually. I mean, that looks cool too. Isn't that like some sort of... Okay. I'll leave it at white. I believe that's some sort of symbol. Not a flag, but for some... I don't know. Whatever. Okay. How did I make these borders here? Where are they actually? Info, third, second, army, break. No, they don't. Ah, here, break mode visuals. Okay, break mode visuals, top, bottom, move speed. Oh yeah, okay. But when are they enabled and when disabled? That's a mystery. Switch mode between destroy. Okay, we will have a look at that just in a second. We need switch mode between army. Switch mode, game state. No. Game manager. Wait, what? Oh, mode handler. Here, okay. Mode handlers. Switch mode between army. Okay, perfect. Okay. Let's go to game manager. Game. Name mode handler it is. Mode handler. If we switch mode, no, switch between destroy. No, nah, man. Where is the break mode visuals handled? That's crazy. Actually, here maybe in here break mode visuals. B break mode visuals update. Yeah. And we will just copy that. Oh no, not duplicate, copy. Let's go back here, create a new script, and that will be army mode visual. Let's open that up. Then it will be pretty easy. To add that too. Army mode visuals. Okay. Put that in here. We don't need all of this actually. We just need one. Actually, oh yeah, okay. We just need one image and that will be, what will we call it? Army, no, main. We call the other ones top and bottom, and this will be main. engine.ui. Then let's enable main, and bottom we don't need. And we don't need any raw update or anything like that. I mean, we could rotate it, but we don't need to. That's okay. Okay, let's go to the army mode button. This one here we can actually disable. Army mode button. Let's actually add it onto here. Army mode visuals, and then let's get image 1 it is, isn't it? No. This one it is, okay. And that should work actually. Let's go into the game. And it does not more so. Oh yeah, okay. Got it. First of all, let's enable that just so we know that is still there. It looks a bit weird, doesn't it? Yeah, we should definitely rotate that. Private void rotate main. But first, if mode is army, then we want to rotate main, and in this one here we had a speed. And with that speed we get a new rack and yeah, make the okay. Okay, main dot enable is true. Then let's make rotate main, because this will not be triggered if this is triggered, because this is returning, so it stops the whole update loop. And then once this is false, this will not be triggered, and we trigger that, activating the main, and then we can rotate it. Main dot rect, yeah, rect transform dot rotation is equal to new quaternion dot Euler. That here dot x dot. Wait, is there even a? We only need an x rotation, right? Ah, we need, don't we? Oh no, it's not x. It's sad. Yeah, okay, sad it is. Let's see, axis. Well, you can still leave it as is, plus is the move speed times time dot delta time. So time dot delta time is just making sure that it all gets rotated on all devices, no matter how much FPS there are, that it always gets rotated correctly. Okay, let's rename that to rotation speed. And we should be able to Go to image. No. Army mode. Okay, rotation. We saw mine negative 360 per second. So let's try minus 180. It should be negative 180 degrees. Let's click that. Okay, that ain't working. What if we maximize? No, that's not rotating correctly. Why is that? Let's start it again and have an inspection. I mean, it's doing something definitely, but it's always a negative something. Why is that? Ah, man. I mean, we have just rotation time. Let's try some more values. Let's go in here and let's try 10. I made it negative just because we did it. Why is it like having problems there? If we rotate around the set. Let's try one more with a very large number. Let's try 1,000. Let's see what happens now. What the hell? Let's just ask ChatGPT. Yeah, well, it is what it is. I'm not hiding it. It's very useful. So I'm using blah 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 and not going further. Then let's give it a code. The issue here, rotation, but turning components instead of the Euler angles. Sure, bro, I have no idea. Please just give me the code. Thank you very much. Actually, suck. No way. Wait. Then like that. Okay. Maybe that works now. And let's go in here and set the speed to 180. And it works! And it looks at least somehow cool. Now I can do my window, move them around, click, move them around, then I can click off. Very nice! Yeah, very normal thing. But it seems like it's working pretty good now, isn't it? No, okay. I would say that was a success with the soldiers for today. And the last thing I want to program today are some very simple settings. Just like muting and unmuting the music. Yeah, just that basically. Maybe making the credits a little bit better. We'll have a look at something real quick. Oh, I'm just seeing we are at 241 subs already. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see how day 71 will go, cause yeah, well, 150 views is still not bad at all. But day 69 did blow up pretty good. 4,000 views, that's crazy. That's so cool. Okay, let's just make a basic toggle from music on off. Let's make it a bit larger. 300 to 50. Why does that look like it looks? Oh man. What the oh yeah, okay, that's that. Let's make let's make it gray again. This one here. No. This one here. We were using. Okay. Let's actually make that 100 and 100. I mean, that looks pretty cool. Also 100. Well, let's make that 500. We need a label too. I mean that we need to make minus 50 and 50. Okay. Label, let's put that over here. Make that centered. Actually, like that. Let's get the fancy writing and let's just make that music on off. I mean, a little bit larger, I'd say. Yeah, that should work. Let's make the background maybe a bit more. I mean, that looks super cool too around it. So maybe we'll go with that just. And let's make the label that nice great we have here too. And the check mark. Do we have custom check marks too? Yeah, we do. That's cool. And then let's use that one. Let's make it 100 and shouldn't it be no 100 and 100. What the no, that actually, and then let's make it 8 70 50 50. I mean, that could look cool, doesn't it? Where did the chat go again? Oh, that's it. Okay. I mean, maybe should make it white. All of that too. I think all of that is in white as well. Yeah, it is. Let's make that white. I mean, we can color that later too. And the label. Oh, wait. That's completely white. Is this here too? This is too, okay. And let's remove that text here. Let's just put all of that over here, 150. Then let's move that all the way over to minus 500. Sounds good. Yeah. Okay. Let's just test that out. Go options. I mean, that gray looks a bit weird when we click it. Let's remove that. No background check mark. No. Yeah, here we go. What? Disabled can be gray. Okay. But why shouldn't it be disabled? So let's here I think we have the menu manager and the save manager. Perfect, because then we can just make new save files for just for that. Army, no. Let's close a lot of that because we won't need it for now. Except for those of your, I always have them opened. Well, we need the save manager over here. And maybe the menu manager, probably. Yeah, so we can just... We can actually save that in here, but come on, let's make another one. File path, menu, file path, settings. Okay. Let's increase that. For save files already, that's crazy. Maybe I'm making a little bit much, but this one here is actually big. No, this. Oh no, I closed it. Oh, this one here is normal stats. Let's go to menu manager. Let's get a serialized field private toggle. Music on off. Let's make this here. Get a save manager. Then we load that up with a string. All settings. That will just be... I'm using the old system still. The one with garbage. That will just be the music on off the on no value no. Why is there an on value change if there isn't a value? Is on, okay. Yeah, okay, it's is on. But is on. And that's a bool, so true or false should it, okay. So once we start, what if okay. Let's load data with this key, and will be all settings. Actually, let's load all settings and private void load all settings. And then remove that and put a string in front of that. Now that is loaded, and then we will just do music on off dot is on is equal to bool, or oh, we can actually use bool dot parse or settings. Yeah, that should actually work. Okay, wait, if all settings is not equal to string dot empty. Because if that is empty, we can't set anything, and if we do, we will run into problems. So now we can save, we can load, but we will have to save. Actually, can we say start? Then after that, music is on, add list, and now we cannot. Music dot on value changed. How can we use that? Oh man, I know what time it is. It's time for ChatGPT. How can I add in Unity a listener to a toggle to check once its value is changed? And on value change event area. Here's an example. Okay, that we need. Okay, that was pretty easy. Dot add list. Okay, I'm so dumb. Save all settings. What the? No, why ain't that working? On value changed. On or off. Okay. Cause this returns a bool. Okay. Like that, it works. Nice. So, if we start the game, the console 26. Oh yeah, we need to hook up the toggle, of course. That is the toggle. Okay, let's save. margins. Okay, let's get this here. Does that not exist or what? Okay, wait, I will just click on off. Okay, now it exists, obviously. So right now there's just true in there. Let's click that off. Where's my editor? And now it's false. Perfect. And now it's false. If I reload the game, it shall read false. Perfect. So now I can toggle it on again, or off it again, or on again, or off again. Perfect. Okay. So well, then we need one more things besides me recording that. So we will have it for later. Just click on, click off. Perfect. Okay. Let's implement that into the game, that it will actually do something. What? Okay. I will have a look at something really quick again. What is that? Okay. Okay. Game manager. Game. Save manager. Let's create a new settings manager. Let's get our settings manager up and running too. On privates, void start. We will get a save manager to load our stuff. Okay. Settings manager, all of that, and we need private music manager. Music manager. What's a music manager? Oh man. Definition. Rename. Music manager. Oh. Okay. Music manager dot enabled is equal to the boot wheel. And I'm gonna put a question mark in front of that. That does not work. Can I say? Okay. Okay. I thought that might actually work. Oh. Then let's go to game manager. That of course did not load correctly. Why did it not? Because I forgot something. Oh man, what am I doing? Serialized field. What's a selection base? That's crazy. Okay. I think that was a main camera actually. Somewhere. Yeah, here. Music manager. Okay. Console. Looks good. Okay. Let's actually unmute the audio, and right now it should be false. So we should not hear. Man, I'm dead. Why? Why is the music manager no? It actually got disabled, but it doesn't work. Let's use a game object. Then we can set question mark set active open and close brackets and close bracket. That hopefully fixes that. Actually, oh no, yeah. Let's go to the game manager, music manager, and let's try it. No music. Yes. And if I go in here, let's change that manually to true. Let's go in here and music plays. Nice. And it will be pretty easy to add more settings like cursor speeds or I don't know, screen settings, all of that. That should not be too hard actually. Okay. So there's only one thing left to do. We will have to edit the video, the short for tomorrow. I will actually open up my cutting software real quick and get it over here. Okay, so we have day 71, we need day 72. Let's delete all of that for now, and that too. So, next thing, we will have to import all this stuff. Perfect. This, and this. Nice. Actually, because that software was recording me talk. Oh, that's pretty silent. Oh, that's not too good. I hope that made a or drill. Yeah, that should work. Okay. And we have this here will be for our new for a new button. We'll have to zoom in there really hard. Oh well, actually. Let's get the text over here and right in here. Army button added. Let's get off audio off here too. Yeah. I guess that already works as expected. So like that. Or maybe a little bit more like this. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just select it and then you can move them. Okay. Soldiers are soldiers selectable and movable. Oh come on, movable. Nice. Then we can save that as day 72. Okay. Then let's export that as date 72. Let's get a high resolution in for TikTok actually, and I will always downgrade that on my phone into a different resolution later on to fit YouTube as well. Okay, let's export that. Okay. Well, that basically means that the stream is finished for today. We worked on it for approximately 3 hours. I think that, not 3 hours, 1.5 hours, that sounds right. 3 hours would be a bit much. Yeah, we added a new building, or made one, made the troops selectable and movable, and started with settings. Overall, I believe that is some good progress for day 72. We also made a video. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, who's still on. I think in the beginning there were a bit more people on, but the 5-minute timer might have scared them away. So next time I will probably not do that. Okay. Yeah, well, thanks so much for watching. Thanks to the guys who made comments. That's awesome. And that's it.